performing.
Lo mdlalo uvele wabamqoka kakhulu ngenxa yokuvunyelwa kwabalandeli enkundleni ngemva kokunqatshelwa ukungena einkundleni kusukela ngoNdasa wangonyaka odlule. Abalandeli abayizinkulungwane ezimbili bavunyelwe ukuba bathamele lo mdlalo. Ukuba khona kwabo kwenze umehluko omkhulu kubafana bafana ikakhulukazi ngesikhathi kunzima kanti nomphumela awuzange ubadumaze abalandeli.
Yes, they make a difference when you can play for fans as a player. It's always better than playing for an empty stadium, and certainly when you have the bad moments in the game and you can count down on the public, it's fantastic for a player. So I hope for the important game in November against Zimbabwe that we can have a little bit much more people in the stadium because it will be a great support for us.
Ibafana ithole igoli layo ngasekuqaleni komdlalo ngesikhathi umkhonto ugwaza ekhaya. Izela kuleli belinamathuba ambalwa ukuthola elinye igoli livumele iEthiopia ukuba ilawule umdlalo. Ibafana bekulindelwe ukuthi idlale kangcono ngemva kokunqoba ngo-3-1 ekuhambeni.
Last 20 minutes everybody was so tired and it's normal. We had a very, very tough week behind us with a trip to Ethiopia. It was awful, this trip, and what they did today, I would congratulate them because it was not easy.
Yize yehluliwe, iEthiopia ikwazile ukugcina ibhola isikhathi esiningi, kepha lo mphumela uchaza ukuthi ayisekho ethubeni lokuya kowendebe yomhlaba. Kepha umqeqeshi waleli qembu uthi bafunde lukhulu kulomkhankaso. Njengeningizimu Afrika elase-Ethiopia lizobhekana neGhana kanye neZimbabwe emidlalweni yokugcina.
When we see our boys, almost all of them they are local players. It's decide the experience. If you remember the first game, when they get 2-3 chances, if they convert one of them, maybe the game will be different. The same thing happened today. But from the first whistle up to the end, they try to fight to change the situation.
Ibafana bafana izovakashelwa omakhelwane iZimbabwe emlenzeni wesibili ngenyanga ezayo.